Hello there folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, place where I discuss different topics about spirituality, deeper introspection, dream interpretation, analysis of different things and ideas, topics and the such. And well, I've been thinking for a long time, what if I create some kind of video in which I present some of the processes that I go on in the designing of my game. And I've been working towards improving the graphics of my map and turning it from something like this, which is kind of fixed the old way that I could use back in the times to create a class and turn in the class into something, turn the classes and the graphics into something like this. So one thing that I kind of got pissed about is this part in here, which I'm gonna change actually in Sakan real quick. So I did this for the table. Okay, they had that violet part below it. So let's see. This part is something that I kind of dislike in a way, but these I won't be using anymore because I have to edit them. The no character can actually sit in this unless you strip the table from the chair, and the chair and the table are two separate tiles. The chair has to be behind the character, right? Unless you want to depict an empty class, but these classes will always have students in them. So let's actually see what was it that was actually pissing me off. Okay, so I needed this one, this. You click on them so that they no longer disappear. And we take an eraser and we start deleting stuff. Okay, we leave a bit of shade in there, but I think that's basically part of its thickness. Okay, you have to add them in here so that you can use them later. One. So we need to finish this one as well. Now, if you don't click on them, you will see that when you press any other button, it simply moves away. Okay, I've also made a guide on how to use Sakan. Feel free to see it. I also posted it on the official link. Okay, now let's see. What was this part that I made like? Okay, so I left that. Good. Um, let's make this one small. Okay, this part I really don't need. I don't understand what the purpose of this actually was. Um, let's actually extend this one here, add, and then we're gonna export this into New School Layout on Visu Stella C, and we have it like this, okay? Wait, this I need to export, and it's gonna be very attentive when you write the name. Make sure that it coincides, because if it doesn't coincide, well, you're probably gonna ruin most likely another tile. Okay, so that's probably something you don't want. Okay, now I also have to okay, Visus Stella Interior C. Okay, um, I also copied that. And now the way it should look like, let's refresh the map. Now it actually looks a bit more normal. Okay, now what I also want to edit is, let's see, should I edit this one? No, let it like that. Okay, let's see. I also need to edit anything like this. So let's see. Um, change the canvas, zoom out a bit. This doesn't bother me, so only one. But this kind of, should it actually bother me or should it not? I mean, I don't understand why this part was done in here. Probably a shade, but I don't see violet and blue shades. I don't know. I mean, if this would stay on a surface. Okay, let's actually make it this one. And let's actually delete that because I really don't like it. It's can't call it hideous or something because, well, I haven't worked towards this and I really appreciate the work people are putting towards the tile sets. And since I'm working all alone on my project, I don't want to invest too much time in actually doing the tiles, although I have done several. Not tile sets, but I've done a few tiles, like the security cameras in my game, the class, um, some of the class emblems I've done. Okay, let's actually delete this. Okay, so the music I've bought, tiles I've bought, okay, like I've bought a lot of things because I just want to win time. Okay, that's one point. So user, we need to add this in here. Still leave it as, no, make it one so that I can copy them in the same correct order. And also remove this part. Okay, add, then to add this part. Okay, let's wait, click, select rubber and delete because I don't want this part to be seen below the bench. It's basically I want to see the, the under the tile which is below. Okay, so let's actually delete these. Let's actually put back the line which I deleted. Add. And what else can I do? Oh yes, make this one small. Click, rinse and repeat. Then we do add. Okay. Now we need to export the stuff. I have exported that one. So all I need to do is this. Okay, save as Visus Stella Interior C. Good. This one. Okay. Now this one, save as Interior C. This one, boom, save as Interior C. Perfect. Now all we need to do is reset the map. Okay, and it should actually look awesome. Like first of all, I no longer see that uh, part below. Well, on the side, I'm not annoyed by this. Now in here, I can actually see normal stuff again. And let's see if I actually put a chair in here, I can actually see the tile below. So now let's actually continue with the um, refurbishing of my classes for the second floor, which for now I cannot test because some of the character events have had their, um, you know, file name changed. So problem is I cannot simply uh, see anything. I cannot test this map until I actually do that. Okay. Um, Now let's add, let's see, what else could we actually add in here? Couldn't these, hmm. Okay, what else can we actually add inside a class? Okay, besides, let's say, I don't know, let's put another bookshelf, or I don't know, let's put something like, um, let's put something like these in here, or perhaps they should be something like this. All right. And let's see, can we actually add something else? Um, Maybe like this. All right. Then I have to create the events in which the player can actually interact with these. It's not gonna be much of a problem. And let's see. Um, so the player will be able to move, let's say, through here. They can move inside. And let's see, what else can we actually add? Because, this class still feels dead empty. Okay, so perhaps something like this in here, and perhaps, I don't know, let's say a bookshelf or something like this in here, maybe. Um, and definitely one last thing is we need some beans, okay? Let's say one in here and one here not far away from the teacher. Okay, now in the class annex I have put these. Maybe I might, what if I actually need some of those in here as well? So let's see, the computer is here. Okay, oh well, it looks so horrible. Some of these tiles definitely don't interact well. Um, oh wait, there usually has to be. So let's add a one of these beautiful little tables. Wait, let's actually add this one here because I haven't been using it in a while. And let's also add uh, one of this. I should also be adding one of the clocks, but that's an event, so I won't be focusing too much on that. And should I add something like a phone, but I really don't see where they are because I've been mingling with these for so long that I really don't know where to find them again. Um, because each class should have a phone in case of emergencies. There might actually be emergencies, or if the player decides to do something woo-woo, then you know uh, a phone might be required. And also the AI will be needed to be structured in case the player does something stupid. Okay, like I don't know, splatter these beautiful tiles with the blood of other characters, which would be a shame considering the beauty of all these tiles. I'm really grateful for Visustela and her work. And well, this is mainly Visustela's tile set, which I also well edited a bit. Now this one is not from Visustela if I remember correctly. I don't know exactly. It might be. It might be the modern school. I'm interested in actually making a video in which I speak about what tile sets I want to present, what tile sets I would recommend people to use, because I've bought like I think almost 100 DLCs on Steam. I'm usually a very heavy investor. Okay, this is one of the tiles that I have created. As I'm interested in creating stuff like this, which will be mounted by the walls. The player can actually go below them, and each class actually has something like that. I mean, on the school map, the base school map in here, uh, I've actually done tiles like this, which show which of the classes each one is. Here I have to actually put the name of this club because that's one of the clubs. So let's get back to uh, let's get back into it, and let's see what else do I have to finish. I have to switch on to that. Okay, so where was that phone? And the question is, do I really have a phone? Let's actually take a better look in here. Um, is usually with the bathrooms. Um, I know I have a phone, but I think it's in the other tile set, the one regarding the previous map, the one which I showed. But well, I already have a full presentation on that. It's a very lengthy video, but considering how big the map is, do expect everything I do to actually be very lengthy. So let's see. Nope, I don't have any phone. So if I don't have any phone, it means that I have to import it. And the phones were in here. These two, I have to add them somewhere. And let's think, where can I actually add these? Where should I add these? Mm, nope, I kind of need this. Could I add them in here? Yes. So it's Visus Stella interior mod interior D mod. Okay, mod comes from modification because I modified the style set so much that it's no longer the original, and I also keep the original separate so that I can make further use of those. Okay, so let's see. Now we mounted these in D. This calls for a map um, reload, and I still don't see the phones. Oh, they are in here. Okay, so no, let's put this one in here. All right. So this is not all for the map. I mean, should be there should be some extra details. Um, I don't know, some lighting maybe. I'll handle this a bit later. I'll see what else there might be good to pop in. Probably something like this because it never hurts. Um, Something like this also in here maybe. Now let's leave the outside of the room for the moment, and let's actually add the windows now. And when I add the windows, they're gonna be specifically like this. Okay, so this should be um, all for now. What I need is a delimiter here to show that well, this is something that I kind of need. Good. Now I have made these okay, functional. Since I've done a lot of changes, let's actually close this. My project is huge, so I will need to save often. And now that I'm gonna save often, and well, it does happen from time to crash, so what I definitely need to do is I need to also make a backup of it and replace it in here and in the removable hard drive, so that if something happens, like rarely it did happen, once it happened, that it crashed, and I also lost the whole map because the JSON files weren't uh, written entirely, so all the data was simply deleted. Thankfully, I actually had a backup, so I didn't lose the whole game because my whole map was simply blank. Okay, now I can close this and I can open RPG Maker again. And let's see, what else can we actually do? Oh, 1151. Another one of those angel numbers apparently. So let's see. Um, okay, now I actually have to move to this class. Okay, now in this class, um, what I have to do is use an A tile because A tiles always overwrite everything that is below them. So in this case, I know that everything in here should be deleted. All right, and let's make this like this. Okay. Now we're gonna use this one because I'm sure it's the same, yes. And I'm gonna delete this part as well. I'm gonna replace this part with this one so that it looks awesome. And well, we should add the part which now we should add the walls and the parts that allow the player to simply move below. So let's see, this part and this part, these are visible, so I should exploit visibility and put as much of it as possible. Now let's see, I need a wall in here, and then I need wall and wall, and then I need these. Wait, what? I think it's from here to here. right? Oh, wait, only this, okay? Whoop. All right, so now I have these. Good. Now that we have that, okay, let's actually delete all these because I don't want to see these again. Not this, not this, and this one again, this one as well. And now let's actually do some stuff like this, okay? Put it back. Um, the wall, and since I'm using um, let's see this one in here. Okay, since I'm using Yanfly's region restrictions, these are gonna be restricted. Okay, this will not be restricted because the player can move below it. Okay, so now that we have something like this, um, let's see. Um, an entry. Okay, so the door has to also be programmed so that these work. Okay, and let's see. I did add something special in here, but okay. So is this? No, no. It's not this one. Where are those mirrors that I put? There are some special lovely mirrors, but I had to break them in two because I didn't have two adjacent tiles to fill with. And most likely they are here. Oh my gosh, when you have so many different tiles, it's probably not the easiest thing to um, it's not the easiest thing to do it, I would say. So let's see. Um, what if I actually didn't add those? That's a possibility. Um, because always having like hundreds of ideas, and well, for some reason, they're not gonna be implemented because I can't do 10 things at the same time in this game, in any game platform, anyways. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some lights in here so that it looks more pleasant. Um, okay, I'm gonna use some delimiters in here. Good. Now, what I'm gonna also need is to fill the class with stuff, but before I fill the class with stuff, I need to put these doors, okay? So let's actually start thinking which class is which, okay? Because I need to actually number them, okay? So this should be um, so it's floor 3 because in Japan there is no such thing as floor 1. I mean, there is no such thing as ground floor, which equates to floor 1. Okay, so the first class, okay, so this is the dorm, which I'll have some big time changing. Um, this would be class, or should be class 3-1. Okay, this is not a class. Okay, this should be class 3-2. This is definitely not a class. Okay. Class 3-3. Okay. Let's actually um, load Sakan again and do some beautiful tiles. Um, okay, so yeah, you're probably asking why Sakan is not here. For some reason, RPG Maker doesn't recognize it. Like on this Windows, it doesn't recognize it. So I installed Sakan separately, which is not bad. I actually love it. So let's see. We have present day school. Let's make this one bigger. And where did I put those tiles? They're definitely around here. Oh, okay. Yes. This one. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this ones will be click. Let's see. Should I leave it like black? Yes. Okay, let's leave it black. Um, Let's make this one completely white. Apparently, as what I've seen in anime, they are technically white and the writing is black, but I said I'm not gonna do it like fully realistically. I mean, my game and other school related games like probably Andre Simulator and the such, they have this. Wait, let me actually make the characters first and then I will. Okay, so first of all, I need a 3 in here, which let's say I will make in a yellow color. Now to make a 3, if this one's positioning would be in here, the 3 should start. Nope. The 3 should start like this. Nope. This. Okay, here. Then, nope. Here. Okay. Now, nah, it won't look nice. Let's see. No red, because red will make it look horrible. Let it actually be white. Okay, so let's make this white in here. And this 3 can actually be seen much better. Now, I don't like this 3, how it looks. I think it will look much better like this. Okay, so we need, yes, I need white. All right, and hmm, should I make this? I mean, let's actually test it and see if it would be like this. Does the player actually get to see it? I mean, hmm. Perhaps I need another color. I need, let's say, red, because red is easily perceivable. Yeah, definitely. But I should actually try, realistic, the realistic stuff. Okay, like let's actually make it black because it's easy to read this one. Okay, so it should be 3, 2. Okay, let's actually make this room. So 3, 2. All right. Okay, so let's say add. Um, Now let's go to new school layout and let's see where on Mother Earth should we actually add these. Oh yes, I actually have an idea where to begin. It's well, in here I can add this one. Okay, so let's see, it's page D in new, wait, not new random stuff, new school layout. Okay, page D, and we have this blackboard which I deleted because I no longer need that, and it's Visus Stella Interior D. Okay, mod save. So we have class 3, 3, 3, okay, 3, 4. Oh, we actually have some classes in here. This one is also a class. Um, This one is a class. This one, this one. I think there's a bit too many of these. And this one is not a class. Okay, so I'm thinking there's a bit of too many of these. I think I should be... Okay, wait, this is not a class. This is not a class. This is a class. And this is a class. Okay, so it's 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. And it should be this one, 3, 7. Perhaps I should be... Uh, changing some of these, okay, turn them into a club. Oh yes, and I have an idea for this one. Okay, so I need 3, 6 to be the most, okay? Good, so we've done this. Um, let's actually do a 3, 1 maybe. Let's see, how would I do a 1. Okay, so I would start something like this. Okay, maybe. Hmm. They don't have to be the same. I mean, hmm. Let's see. This should actually be much better in a way. And the line could work better, being a bit longer like this. Okay, so let's see. Um, should I leave it blue? Let's actually leave it blue. Okay, so we have 3, 1. Okay, now 3, 2. We need to also wait. Okay, 3, 2. Boom. Let's see. Should we do something like this? This. Okay, wait. It's something like this. Let's see. How do we make this two larger? Well, simply like this. Mm, does this two need to actually be more stylized, made? Nah. Mm, wait a bit. Okay, folks, I'm back. I have to take care of my mother. She's not very capable of moving, so she's calling me when she needs me. She sits in another room. So I have to handle something with the medic. She needs something, so yeah. Let's see, would it actually look nice like this? I mean, mm, I don't know. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Okay, so it's um, I think Let's see. I make it like this, and something like this. Wait. Hmm. Does it look actually nicer? Well, at least it's bulkier, so all I can say is, yeah, why not? Okay, so we have 3, 1, 3, 2. Now we need a uh, now we need a 3. So the 3 will be basically this, and we delete this and this and this and this and here, and voila, we have a 3. Cool, 3, 3. Now all we need is a 3, 4, but let's actually export these first, okay? Let's actually export these first, because you never know if, an electric failure might occur or whatever. I don't know if I'll be needing these screens, honestly. Like, I'm sure I'll definitely find something else. Anatomy classes. Shizuoka University of Art and Culture actually have something like that. I kind of doubt it. Uh, but let's actually replace these in here. So we have, oh wait, so Visus Stella interior dmod. Copy this one, save. Okay, let's put 3 2 in here. Okay, and let's put 3 3 in here. Okay, now we need to draw. Let's see, 3 4, and we also need to add other tiles as well. So we have a 3 4. Okay, so to make a 4, we will need something like this. Okay, and something like this. Okay, now we're gonna take some blue, and we're gonna most likely remove these and remove these as well. Should I actually add something like this? No, because it's gonna look like a Y, so I don't think I'll actually need that. We're gonna add this to the beautiful collection. Then we need a 5. In order to do a 5, we need to do something like this. And we need to do something like this. Probably something like this. And we need to delete this part and also delete this part. And we have a 3 5. Now we need to do a 6, and the 6 is easily something like this, but let's actually make the 6 a bit rounder. So it should be something like this. Okay? Well, actually, let's make it something like this. All right. And let's actually make it something like this. Okay? And let's actually delete something in here and put something like this. Okay, so now it actually looks a bit rounder if you look at it from a greater perspective. So this should be the last one. Okay, now let's actually quickly export these, and they should be somewhere. Let's actually export them over these skulls, because over these skeletons, because I don't know whether I'll be needing them. Yes, 3 5 in here. Yes, this tile set I think is common to the other 2 floors, so I will need a lot of empty tiles. Okay, let's actually leave that one in case I actually need it. Okay, so now that we have 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, let's actually name the classes. Okay, so let's decide upon this now. Okay, so I already have one of these tiles here, which I made myself. It's the Shizuoka University of Art and Culture. It's the science facility. It actually writes in here, but because of my big, I've got a very big resolution, you can't actually see it. But if you play on a very small resolution, you'll easily see it. Oh, it's 12:12. Now I see it. Okay, 12:12, the mirror hour where you make a wish. Okay. Um, okay, I made myself a wish. Now let's see. This one will be a little office where some of the Seetokai, well, I don't know if it's actually Seetokai, but it actually says student council. And you also have the eyes, okay, two eyes because they are watching you. All right. Um, so let's actually see which one's which, okay? Oh wait, they're more spread than they should because yes. So this one should be 3-1, okay? This one is class 3-1, okay, as we said. Now, principal office, the bathrooms. This one is a teacher meeting office, if I remember correctly. Yes. Well, that's actually uh, teacher teacher's office. Okay. Uh, okay. Cancelarie is in my language, is in Romanian. I didn't know how to actually put it in English. Well, some people might say it's actually a bit shameful, but I don't believe in shame. Okay, even if I'm an authorized translator, it's no shame that I don't remember some word or, well, that I don't happen to know one. Oh, wait, this one actually needs to also be changed because I really don't like these. Uh, wait, what? I don't have this one in here. Oh, wait, it's this one. Okay, so let's actually quickly dispose of these, and let's actually make a very quick thing because I'm not necessarily pressed for time, but you know, I just really like doing things fast here and here. Okay, here and here, and we have these beautiful tables. Okay, now we have these and these. Okay, now what I need to do in here is, okay, so I've got a table in here. Um, what I need to do is I need to correct this issue in here. Um, let's see. All right, I'll add. Well, actually, I will add a table in here, which will be the teacher's beautiful desk. All right, I need the limiter here to tell me that this is the end of something, and also the should I actually make, you know what, screw this, it looks horrible. So guess what, I will add the limiter in here because I will be needing it to say that a limit is there, and I will add an extra window. All right, now it should be beautiful in here. Okay, this desk is over here, this desk is here. Let's actually save because the process, you know, I can't add too much because it might actually not be able to save it. Okay, guess what means? This means one thing, okay? It's time to make another backup in here, and then we need a backup on the hard drive. Then we need the image tile sets. Wait, without this one because I don't need that one. Okay, in here, image tile sets. Okay, sorry if I'm too fast, but well, this is how I usually prefer to be. That is, unless I have to actually take some big decisions, usually with the scripting part. Okay, so now that this map is done, okay, we have 3-1. Okay, now we need to open the this one, okay, and head to word hippo and say, how do you say principal's office, okay, from English to Japanese. And you have kocho, okay. Now, what I have to do, because Japanese is a very tricky language, I'll have to put it, and make the reverse. And, well, it's not translated as I actually need, okay, head teacher. So, from here, um, let's say headmaster's, wait, office. Really now, head quarters, though hopefully it doesn't translate quarters as Ashihanki. Hopefully this is not some kind of headquarters. Headmaster. Okay, so you don't have a translation for this one. Let's actually use principles, okay? Uh, Office, don't translate it as offisu. Shitsu. Okay, let's actually take this one, and since Japanese is a conceptual language, I need to do the back principal room. Okay, let's actually do this. Okay, so we have to draw these beautiful kanjis, which is something that I really enjoy. So how we're gonna do this is we're gonna take one of these beautiful things. Wait. Um, okay, let's actually remove this beautiful part. And let's see. Let's put one of those pieces of awesomeness, something like this. Okay, and 12. All right. Wait, something's wrong. It's not the same color. Okay. Good. Now we need to draw these beautiful kanji. So it means that I have to let's put these. Uh, let's actually put it in red. Maybe should we go with red? I don't know. Let's actually try this and see. No, it's too big. It's too big. It's too big. One thing I've learned is definitely okay, something like this. So let's see. First, we need a line for this one. Okay, that one is usually okay. So that kanji is always straight. Okay. One, two. Uh, should I make it like this? Yes. Um, and if you look at it, it's actually like that. Okay. I don't know why, but I actually grew a great passion in, pixelating kanji. And let's see, red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Then we have this part, okay? We have this part, we have this part. All right. Wait. Let's see, does it actually look bad? No, it doesn't. It can't look bad. You simply can't, screw up with this. Let's see. Nope, there's a blank space, so it needs to come something like this, okay? Well, it's actually good. Now, the second kanji is not gonna be hard. Okay, so let's see. There should be What if I make these in here only? Okay. Oh wait, 1, 2. Hmm. Nah, it actually looks horrible. Okay. Now how was this one? Actually, this was like this and this. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see. Was it like this? No. If you look at it like this, you or what I can actually do is, okay, let's actually do something like deleting this, okay? And I need one and this one, okay? So let's see, this one, we need one extra space, okay? So we're gonna do this. This is basically one square above. So it's, wait, six. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So it should be like this, and this one should come like this, okay? Uh, okay, so this should come like this. This should come like this. 3, 3. And then I'm starting this not from here, but from here, okay? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I start from here and I have this. Usually this one is a bit longer. This one has to be a bit shorter. No. Hmm. Yeah, it should be something like this. Some kanji aren't easy to make because, well, they're kind of, not the best way to do in pixels. So this line should actually be something like this. And I think I have enough space for it. The other one isn't that hard to make. Okay, so we have a line going up and it's as high as this. And here we have this part which is angled. And here we kind of have this part that should come like this. So this one should be extra long. I don't think these two need to necessarily touch. So we have this one, which is slightly shorter, and this one. Let's see. These two seem to be distance. No, they're actually kind of the same height. So let me actually think. Should I actually make it like this? Even if the kanji will be made slightly shorter, it's actually it's actually kind of the same height. It doesn't matter that much. When you look at it, you can still see the kanji. Okay, so let's see. Um, and now we have the last one. Let's actually start with the roof. Should be something like this. Let's actually go till here. Okay. So it is left aiming. Alright. Now we have let us see. We have enough space. Nope. Okay. Good. And now we have this line in here, and we have a big line in here which goes as big as the whole kanji, and then we have this line in here. Okay, I think I can actually make this one extra large. No, leave it like this, and it should be something like that. Oh wait, these actually can be one tile longer. Oh, actually means more design space, so I can simply delete that. Oh, it actually starts looking a bit more like what it should be. Okay, so let's see. I'm not gonna Kocho Shitsu. Okay. Uh, can I actually write? Let's see. I doubt I can actually write the katakana readings in here. Like, I don't know. Let's see. Should use a different color. Maybe, don't know, something like this. Should be ko. Perhaps I should be starting from here. Um, Chi and Yo would be, let's see, something like this. Wait, I think I should actually do it here instead. Okay. Hmm. Let's use another color here, right? Let it like this. Wait. Kocho and Shitsu, right? I think this one is Shitsu. And let's see, it should be something like, it, 1, 2, 3. Shi, and then it should be Tsu. Tsu would be something like this, and wait, nope, it's a bit more abrupt. Okay, should it actually be like this? Kocho Hitsu, Shitsu. Okay, now let's also write in here. Should we choose a yellow? Yes, let's actually choose a yellow. Um, should we write in here somewhere? Okay, let's see. Uh, okay, let's see if I have enough space. E N, nope, N, C, okay, E, P, would be like here, A, have it like this, and L. Okay, enough space. So let's see. Um, pre and okay, C. Wait. Oh wait, I didn't do it well. Uh, oh yeah, I well actually did it well. Principal. Okay. Uh, let it like this and this. Okay, so yeah, that should be it. I mean, it should be visible. Principal. Okay. Add this one. Where should I actually add it? I think in here. Okay. So wait. Uh, Visus Stella Interior D. Okay. Interior D mod. Okay. Save. All right. So let's see. We have E. Hmm. Now where did I put that? Okay, near 3.6. So 3.6 should be somewhat here. Okay, we need to put this one in here and put this probably in here so that it's easy to see. All right. Now this should be class 3.2, which is huge as fuck. I think some of it has to be deleted a bit. This resting lounge should also be changed. It looks nice, but okay. Um, oh wait, this part here is not changed. Okay, I actually have to let's see, delete this and this also. We have to. Should I add windows? Uh, yeah, why not? Um, this. Okay. These. Right. So now that I have put these in here, let's actually finish with the part here. And let's also add this beautiful part in here. Let's add the class identifier, which class identifier, this one should be 3.2. Okay, so 3.2 was here. Okay. The point that 3.2 is heading this way. I would need an extra tile for that, but let's actually not bother too much. Okay, so now that I made it in here, I need to actually change these doors to call them class 3.2 door. Okay, above characters, let's select the door, this one, uh, floor 2, here, class 2 door closed. Okay, I'm actually gonna use two different switches, yes. Um, okay, so this one will be above characters because the player should be capable of going behind them. Okay, and this one is the door closed. The player can walk over it, so this is not much of a problem. Okay, now copy, paste. Okay, this one should be move up. No, wait, it's exit event, save, paste, apply. Okay. Now we need to adjust each and every one. This one will be closed. Um, let's actually add the magical door. The other one, okay, above players, and then we have new page, which is open and it is below the players, okay. Now this one also needs door closed. It will have the part in here, it's always gonna be below the players. Um, switch, yep, it's gonna be open, okay. Apply, okay. Now I've been doing this for so long, it's like easy peasy for me to do. Sorry if it's too fast, but considering how complex my process is and I'm just reworking the maps, I'm really not interested in, taking things too slow, okay? Closed, open, okay. Oh wait, oh, the fuck was I been thinking of? Okay, so this one is like this. Okay, apply, okay. This one is correct. Now, for the player to interact with this, they need a conditional. If player is facing down, we need show choices, which will be painted in orange. Open door, because duh, okay. If the door is closed, you can actually open it. And no action, okay, in case the player suddenly change their mind. So now we have dim, middle, disallow, okay. When the player wants to open the door, they will have set movement route. They will